Hey, welcome back to Fisher Honda and Acura in Boulder, Colorado. Again, we have Justin Green, one of my lead technicians. I'm Tyler DeFalco, the Fixed Ops Director here at the store. So we got another fun segment for you today. We're going to discuss the importance of recalls being done on your vehicle, as well as product updates, and then the difference between those two as far as coverage is concerned, and how long coverage is on one and how long coverage is on another, and where best find out the information. So we'll have Justin go through the technical side of the recall, and I'll close up on where you can find that information. There you go, Justin.
All right, so the difference between recalls and product updates is a recall is a safety problem that Honda has noticed, and they want to have whatever repair that is done and taken care of. Now, those recalls will last the life of the vehicle. So it doesn't matter if you have 2,000 miles or 200,000 miles. If you have a recall, just bring it into the store and it get taken care of. Now, they also have product updates. Now, product updates is they noticed a problem with a part that is not a safety issue, and they just updated it and you can get it put on your car. Now, you can do those under regular warranty. So whether it's bumper to bumper, powertrain, you just need to check with your local Honda dealer to see if it's still covered. Even if you wanted to pay for it yourself after the product update warranty is expired, you can do that as well. All you're going to want to do is, like I said, give your Honda dealer a call, or even call us here at Fisher and we can give you that information. So I'll have Tyler tell you as far as the customer side goes.
Okay, thank you, Justin, for providing that information for us. Now, for the administration side, the website you want to go to, and it will also be at the bottom of this video for you, is owners.honda.com. On that website, you can punch in your VIN number, and then it'll share whatever recalls, if at all, that you have open on the vehicle. Now, as far as product updates go, they only are available through your local Honda dealer. So if you feel you have something going on that you have a concern with, in or out of warranty, just give us a call here at our store or any local Honda dealership in your vicinity, and they'll be able to see if there's any product updates for you. Again, the factory is always good about sending you a mailer, so you'll get that in the mail should your vehicle or VIN number, or both, have a recall that's open on it, and sometimes an extension too. So be looking for and pay attention to if you get anything in the mail from the factory. Then you can go to owners.honda.com or call us here at the store, okay? Very good, Justin, Thank you. We'll see you again on the next segment. Bye-bye.